How to fix Microsoft Office error code 30015-11-322-122-5506 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Microsoft Office installation requires access to protected system directories. Running the installer with administrative privileges ensures it has the necessary permissions to complete the process without interruptions. If that didn't work, Microsoft provides a dedicated tool to tackle Office issues automatically. Next, choose I have Office 365 subscription, but I'm having trouble installing it option and click Next. Use other option if this is not applicable to you. Click Yes to begin a scan. Follow instructions after the scan is finished. Corrupted system files can prevent Microsoft Office from installing properly. Running built-in Windows tools like System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, can help fix file corruption.